So substandard and falsified medical products are not victimless crimes. They cause treatment failure. They contribute to antimicrobial resistance. They also increase healthcare cost. You know, imagine you use this drug, it doesn't work, you have to buy another one, you have to see another doctor. They undermine the confidence in our healthcare system, and more so, they undermine universal health coverage. Criminal networks involved in the manufacture, importation, distribution, and sales of falsified medical products do not recognize institutional mandates. Neither do they recognize jurisdictional boundaries.
I am shocked to see that we have fake HIV test kits in the market. You know what that means to your youth, to our youth. We have very, very many fake P2. And that means that you have our youth and girls who get unwanted pregnancies because the system has failed them.
We currently have 60% of products coming in. We do not man the borders. There are also other people who are monitoring or manning the borders. I'm happy that IGAD is here. We get a lot of products from also around that country. Yeah. Impact of substandard and falsified products is multidisciplinary. It affects so many other people. And so addressing it